Sat Shri Akal students, this is our second lecture on the topic circles. Let's say we have a circle and this is the center of the circle. Center of the circle, let's say, is O. Now, let's see how the angle subtended by the arc at the center changes. So I've taken three arcs. One is arc, we can say AB. Other is arc CD. And the last one is arc LM. Now let's see what is the angle subtended by different arcs in the on the center, right? So arc. Now, student, one more interesting thing. Arc AB, which is arc AB. Arc AB is this one, which is arc CD. Arc CD is this one, and which is arc LM. Arc LM is this one. It is interesting to see that the angle subtended by the arc AB at the center is same as the angle subtended by the chord AB at the center. That's very interesting. So let's say this angle is theta. Now let's see what is the angle subtended by arc DC or chord DC. So this is this angle. We can say that this angle is angle COD is somewhat more than angle AOB. You know, it's a little bigger in size. Or we can say bigger arc CD as compared to arc AB subtends a bigger angle at the center. And now we talk about arc LM or chord LM. Let's see what angle they subtend at the center. So the angle they subtend at the center is this angle. And see, students, angle MOL. I'm going to write down. Angle MOL is the angle subtended by arc LM or chord LM at the center. So from this, we have just learned one thing, that bigger is the arc, bigger is the circle, or bigger is the chord, bigger is the circle, smaller is the chord, AB is very small chord as compared to LM. So the angle subtended at the center is also the least. All right. Having done this, let's prove few theorems. One is equal chords of circle subtend equal angles at the center. It's very simple. We can do it in 1 minute's time only. So this is the circle, students. This is the center of the circle. O, it says equal chords of circle. So I'm going to draw two chords which are equal in length, right? So maybe this is one chord and this is the second chord. I want to make sure this is a little bigger, very smaller. So this may be almost same in the length, right? So what is the angle? Let's say I name this chord as LM and let's say I name this chord as OP. Now chord LM is equal to chord OP. That also means LM is equal to OP. Now what is the angle chord LM is subtending at the center? Oh, it's very simple. Simply join the endpoints with the center. So this is the angle chord LM is subtending on the center, and this is the angle chord OP is subtending in the center. We need to prove that they subtend equal angle at the center. Means this angle theta 1 and theta 2 are equal. So let's consider triangle LOM and triangle, this is O. If this is O, I'm sorry, I cannot take this as O. I must take it as Z. So this will be ZP, ZP. So I'll take triangle LOM and triangle ZOP. You see this triangle, see students, OL, OM, OZ, OP are all what? Can anyone tell? OL, OM, OZ and OP, they are all, any student? For the circle, what is OM? What is the length joining the?
Radius.
They're all radius.
Radius.
R, 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 R. So in these triangles, I can say that OL is equal to OP. Reason? It's a radius. Similarly, I can say OM is equal to OZ. Why? It's radius. And the third side, what? LM is equal to PZ. Why? It's equal. Can anyone say? How can we say LM is also equal to PZ? Anyone?
Because they are chord at the opposite side.
No, not because they are chords at opposite side, but because it is given that the chords are, see here, the chords are
Equal.
Equal.
Chords, we need to prove equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. LM chord is subtending angle theta 1 and ZP chord is subtending angle theta 2 at the center. So LM is equal to PZ. Why? This is given. So I can say these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria? Can any student tell me? These two triangles are congruent by which criteria? They're all the three
Triple S.
sides.
Side angle side.
No, you're wrong, baby. Side
Triple
angle
S.
side. Triple?
Triple S.
Who said that?
Naveen.
Beautiful, Naveen. Full marks to you. Arey, Mansimrat, so stupid. You told side angle side. Arey, ye aate prove karni hai gal that this angle is equal to this angle. Hi, Maro. So this is as per triple S criteria. I can say both the triangles are congruent. And when both the triangles are congruent, there all the corresponding pairs are equal. Means angle L will be equal to angle P, angle M will be equal to angle Z, theta 1 be equal to theta 2, then LO will be equal to OP, MO is equal to OZ, and LM is equal to PZ, but that's already given. So here we have proven theta 1 is equal to theta 2. How? We will say by CPCT. Am I right?
Congruent paths. Corresponding paths of
Corresponding
congruent triangles are
parts
equal.
of congruent triangles, or you can either say corresponding pairs of congruent triangles. Very good. So we have proven, everyone has understood. Now students, Very quickly, we can prove this also. If the angles subtended by chords of a circle at the center are equal. So I'll take just 1 minute to prove it. You see, this is a circle. Now what is given? Angles subtended by the chords at the center are equal. Now the chords are not equal. It's not given. It's not given. But what is given is, yes, any student can tell me?
The angle subtended is equal.
Correct. So let's say this is one chord, and guys, this is second chord. Now, if this is the center, guys, it's given that the angle subtended, this is angle subtended by this chord, and this is the angle subtended by this chord, right? So this angle subtended by, let's say, chord AB is theta, and angle subtended by chord CP is also theta. I'm not taking theta 1, theta 2 because it's given that the angle subtended by chords of a circle at the center are equal. This is given. If means this is given. Then I have to prove chords are equal. So that means I have to prove AB is equal to AC. I need to prove that AB is equal to CP. So students, how can I prove? Now will be
Sir, first
SAS criteria, because this is R, then the angle and R. So Mansimrat, be careful telling next time. So according to, you write down everything and you say according to SAS criteria, both the triangles are congruent and hence AB would be equal to CP. All right, students. Still one more. See, recall that two circles are congruent. Now he says two circles are congruent. Students, what is the meaning of two circles being congruent? Anybody can say? What is the meaning of these two circles are not
they have the
congruent?
same radii.
Oh, beautiful. They have the same radii. So RR is equal is given. Now prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at the center. Oh, now you can easily prove that. This is your homework. Wish you all the best. So wait for the next lecture, which is more exciting. All the best.